asked many questions. So some of the students are very confident with their opinion about quota movement, and some of they are very they understand and realize but cannot express their realization. So there was a lack of confidence when we talking in front of people. So I think that as a student you should learn English writing, English reading, and obviously you have to understand, you have to knowledge about uh, English speaking. So English speaking is the you can say that when you go to your job sector, so it will be must need that you have to if you if you can English speaking, if you can English speaking, then you can get extra privilege to get a promotion, to get a proper position in your job sector, in your working environment, and you can access plenty of resources. In today's world, you can access, you can communicate with the whole world people, and the people from around the world are all are familiar with English because English is an international language, and we are living in an international era and age of technologies. So you can also get help from your devices like a laptop, mobile phone. You can access uh, the vast of resources for any topic like English spoken or any another language speaking. So there are many platforms like ELSA. This person provide the beginner guidance to speak English and practice with them. So it is very helpful to for your practice speaking, and you can also practice your English speaking with your friends, family members, or the person who you prefer and love to talk. So I think that there are some tips I will share with you that there are also very tips and tricks to how to improve your English speaking and how to be a fast speaker. So for that you can do you have to practice English speaking regularly, and you have to continue for 1 month. At first, you have to confront 1 month, and if you continue 1 month and daily practice and daily learning some vocabularies, and you have to hear some native speakers because if you want to be a good speaker, fluent speaker, so if you then you have to you have to deliver speech or talk in proper way. So this is the way that you can persuade any person, any talking topic. So this will be very great for us that if we want to be a good speaker, if we want to be a fluent speaker, so we have to sacrifice some time, we have to sacrifice some we have to invest our some money for our English speaking. So I am also an English speaker and practice a university student. As a student, uh, we have to learn English speaking, and we have to be good at it because uh, everybody cannot get an opportunity to read in a university, and so I am very lucky, alhamdulillah. So if you want to practice English speaking, you can join with me and subscribe my channel and like, comment, and I will help you to find your weakness and be good at speaking, and provide you some guidance and that you need to know properly English language and English and other topics also be. So I am very glad to have you here, and properly, if you want to have any questions, you can ask me because I'm here to provide you proper guidance. So let me ask.